Hey, welcome to Half Calf, Half Relax Reviews. Sometimes we do caffeine stuff, sometimes we do relax stuff, sometimes we don't do any one of those. Just because I feel like it, just because I want to, just because. Today we're going to do popcorn chips. A new shape of popcorn. All natural, gluten-free. This is Kettle. Sweet. Very little ingredients. Enriched yellow corn. Niacin, iron. Sunflower oil. Sugar, sea salt. Pretty much it. Real simple. Real delicious. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And the bag's pretty full. That's pretty cool, right? What does it taste like? Let's get a real good shot of that. Right? Nice crunch. Okay, so imagine it's kind of like a Dorito without all the coated seasoning. But here's the thing, it's like it's obviously popcorn. They're trying to go for that, right? So it's like kind of rice cakey, kind of tortilla chip, like a Dorito, combined, boom, like a mashup. It's kind of when you first open it, it's delicious, okay? It's crunchy, it's seasoned slightly. It's not heavily like a Dorito, but just lightly dusted with whatever flavoring. But it's enough. It's enough. It's always good. They got sea salt, Kettle. They got a couple others I can't have personally because of my diet, but because I'm a vegan and stuff. But there's butter, sea salt, white cheddar, cheesy jalapeno. But yeah, it's awesome. When you first open it, it's crunchy, it's delicious. I love popcorners. But you gotta eat them right away. Because within a day or two, I don't care if you put a clip on or what, they get soft and stale real fast and it's funky. And usually I don't care about that. I can't tell, but anyways, so eat them right away. Sweet, salty, winter, but eat them fast. That's the only thing. Share them with friends, family. Do what you gotta do. Eat them up, popcorns. This is Half Calf, Half Relax.